Hi, welcome to our channel. If you still not have subscribed our channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon to get notification about our latest videos. This video is about Bitmoji. We will tell you how to create your own personal emoji. So let's start with the video and see how it works. Open Google Play Store on your mobile. Search for the app Bitmoji, your personal emoji. Here is the app. Download this app. Bitmoji is your personal emoji. Use it in Snapchat and where else you chat. Create an expressive cartoon avatar. Choose from a huge library of stickers. 100 plus million people downloaded this app. Updated on 27 April 2018. App is installed now. Open it. Log in with Snapchat or sign up with email. Going to create an account. Put your date of birth. Put your first name, last name, email address and password. Account is created. App is open now. Select the gender. Start with a selfie or skip it. I am going to skip it. Here it shows the different skins. Choose the skin color. Select the hair color. Change the hairstyle. Different hairstyles are available. I select this one. Hair treatment. Facial hair. Change the color. Choose the eye shape. Eye size. Eye spacing. Eyes color. Use glasses. Nose. Jaw. Mouth. Ears. Cheek lines. Forehead lines. Eye lines. Hats or headwear. Body type. Outfit. So these are different options. You can save the avatar. Save and exit. it's saved. Here are popular emojis. Select from here. Hi. Skip it. Different emojis or stickers with the same avatar. Edit the avatar from here. Change the settings. Change avatar style. Share the avatar on these different services: WhatsApp, Messenger, Skype, Snapchat, wherever you want. So you see how you can use Bitmoji and create your own personal emoji. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and a comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.